How to make a green screen effect on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can make green screen effect on Android device. So let's go on with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can do it, first of all, in order to do so, you need to set your wallpaper as a green screen. For that, you may just head over and download a green screen photo onto your device. After that, set it up as your wallpaper. Let me just set it up as my wallpaper on my home screen and wait for it to be set on my home screen. After that is done, you may just place your phone with a background in it. So what you're gonna do is, after the video is recorded with a phone with a background in it like this one right here, like with a background right here and screen with a green screen. So if you have done this recording with a video, you're just gonna head over to the CapCut application. So let's say this is a video I recorded using the phone, for example, only for an example, but you can use a video instead. For what you're gonna do is, this is in background, let's suppose, and you're just gonna overlay this video. First of all, overlay the video with a green screen with the phone like this, add it up on the screen, and after that is done, what you're gonna do is place the phone onto the screen. So you're just gonna look down at the screen until you're able to find the option called remove background here. Just go ahead and tap on remove background. After that, you'll be able to find chroma key here. Just right click on it and you're gonna place the chroma key. Just enable the option and you're gonna place your chroma key here. After that is done, what happens is you're just gonna place it like this so that the phone screen will be turned into the background of the phone. And after that is done, you're just gonna play the video and the screen of the phone will be changed. So that's how you basically do it. So therefore, follow the steps in order to make a green screen video of your device as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.